Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial on NailPossible. Today we're going to make this really simple negative space design using some striping tape and some studs. We start with our base coat. And we're going straight to the striping tape. Let's cut up some pieces of striping tape. And we're going to apply them diagonally on our nails. Remember, your base coat has to be completely dry by now, or you can use a quick dry top coat if you don't want to wait. Make sure the tape is stuck all the way to the edges of your nails. Now that we're done with the striping tape, let's move on to the color. I'm going to be using these Revlon Holos, and I'm going to apply one color on each of the spaces, leaving the space on the base of the nail with no color. Once we're done, we'll remove the tapes. And we clean up. Now we repeat this process on each nail. For this design, it is important to work one nail at a time so the polishes don't have time to dry and we get clean defined lines. And now that we're done with the polishes, we're going to use some star-shaped silver studs. To apply them, you can use a drop of clear polish or top coat. And we apply the stars where the colors meet. Now all we have to do is apply a top coat. This is what I used before to apply the stars. And that's it, we're done with this design. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!